Alright guys, so today I'm going to be marinating this roast that I purchased from Walmart, and it was $12.83, and it's a nice size roast that will feed my family. Guys, I have some smoked turkey necks and some pinto beans in the crock pot. These were previously recorded, but stay tuned for that recipe as well. Alright guys, so let me tell you all the things you're going to need. We're going to start off with Worcestershire sauce. We have some Maggi Jugo, black pepper, some thyme, some parsley, some poultry seasoning, some adobo, a garlic, and we have paprika, olive oil, vinegar. Now, I don't recommend using meat tenderizers. My grandfather always taught me that vinegar will break down the meat just like a tenderizer. So if you did not know that, use a vinegar when you're marinating. You will not taste it in your marinade. And I'm going to use about a good, I would say, tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. It doesn't matter. It really, it's not going to make a big difference. And then I'm going to add my poultry seasoning. And that's going to be about a good teaspoon of poultry seasoning, paprika, and I'm adding about the same amount for each thing, give or take a little more, a little less, but it is a marinade, so you can add as much as you want. But these are the basic seasons that I do for my basic marinades for like my roast and stuff, and that's about a good teaspoon of parsley as well. And I'm just going to continue adding the different ingredients and creating the marinades. Now everything is going to be about a good teaspoon. The only thing that isn't is the black pepper, which is about a half a teaspoon, and the Worcestershire sauce. That is going to be about a good tablespoon, guys. So it doesn't have to be exact. I'm just giving you these great flavors that you can mix together, but these will create a awesome marinade for roast, for steaks, for chickens, for burgers, for all types of things. I'm just kind of poking it to ensure that the marinade gets all through that meat and that vinegar gets through and breaks it down so it can be very tender. Now I'm taking and putting some chopped onions. This is something that you don't have to do. Some people like to put dry onion mix in it, but I like to put fresh onions in mine. And then guys, after that, all right guys, so there you have it, a great marinade. If you try this, please let me know. Thumbs up this video, share this video. Now let's take it to the refrigerator. At least an hour you want to marinate this, but overnight is always better. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.